is avoid answer auditing. Now, this is something everybody always we say answer auditing. And this again, I'm speaking about section A and section B, your MCQs and OTQs. It's a sin. It's a sin. Okay. Don't do it. I see that sometimes students, they read a question from financial instruments or from taxes or whatever, or I don't know, IFRS 15. They read the question, they think that they do not know it. They go back and they see the answer at the back of the book, then they come back and do it. Please never do it. Because when you do it, you are actually telling your brain, do not think. You are telling your brain, do not think, which is wrong. And in exam, your mind will never start working because you never allowed your mind to think. So let your mind think, make a mistake, then you go back and see your answer, whatever it is, right or wrong. But make mistakes, because every time you make a mistake, you have an opportunity to learn something. But when you see the answer, you do not know what mistake you would have made or you could have made. So let yourself make mistake and learn from that mistake.